Ukrainian people, Mr. President Volodymyr Zelensky, sir, I love the lives of Ukrainians, especially the young children who are dying in Putin's war. I want to help fight criminals, but in my situation, it will be difficult for me of my health condition. Day and night, Putin is raining drones, missile, and bombs on the cities he wants to capture. In addition to this, it is causing the death of many peoples and creating severe damage to the property of Ukrainians. This is the only advice I can give you, Mr. President Zelensky. Your country has nuclear energy and you have nuclear waste stored in your warehouses. Why don't you turn them into weapons? Because this scenario, Mr. President Zelensky, Putin's may back down because his country will face a severe danger from you. If you don't do this, many lives will be lost, not only soldier, but also poor civilian, Mr. President. Do this early because my heart breaks while watching the news that every day many poor people are dying in your country. I hope this message reaches you because many are dying and they have not received justice, Mr. President Zelensky. Dear viewers, if you watching, please share so that it reaches to the President of the Ukraine, President Zelensky. And please subscribe as well. Thank you.